Dear viewers, ladies and gentlemen, thank you very much at the outset to Rajiv Gandhi University, Arunachal Pradesh for giving this opportunity. I am Mandi sir, 1 by 12 Mandi sir. The session which it is being covered is Gandhian education. Gandhian education, Nai Talim. I once again welcome you to this session. Thank you. तो पहले पहले मैं सच बोलूंगा कि what I am talking here is how I implemented, how I have done my experiments with the teaching and learning, which is I consider as Gandhian education, Nai Talim Bunyadi Shiksha, and that too at PG level, not at school level, at lower levels. I am solely responsible for what I am talking about. Gandhiji is not responsible for it. And the focus will be on operationalization and solution focus, not an intellectual discussion. क्या था, क्या discuss किया है, difference क्या है. This is not my focus here. It's absolutely implementation focused. How it is being done, operationalization. As it is implemented, I assume as is basis. जैसा है वैसा ही, पैसे की जरूरी नहीं है, बाहर से पैसे की जरूरी नहीं है, अप्रूवल्स की भी जरूरी नहीं है. कोई आके बोलना है कि यू कैन डू दिस, यू कैन नॉट डू दिस. देयर इज नो वेटिंग फॉर अप्रूवल्स ऑफ एनीबडी. इट आल्सो लुक्स वेरी सिली, यस, इट लुक्स सिली, बट छात्र लोग, pupil will love it, and it is, they take it very seriously, and it has got a significant impact. It looks very close to Gandhi what it said. Of course, it requires to be अंडरस्टैंडिंग इट और डीपर सेंस में सोचना है. थैंक यू. दुनिया में कहीं भी जाओ, एजुकेशन के बारे में यही कंसर्न्स है. दे आर नॉट डिफरेंट. नोबडी इज अबोव देम. एवरीबडी गॉट इट. वेस्ट, ईस्ट, साउथ, नॉर्थ, एवरीबडी. यूएस में भी है प्रॉब्लम्स, यूरोप में भी है, इंडिया में भी है. व्हाट आर द कंसर्न्स? एम्प्लॉयबिलिटी. एवरीबडी शुड बी एम्प्लॉयबल. एवरी एजुकेटेड शुड बी एम्प्लॉयबल. ये बहुत ही समस्या है. प्लेसमेंट, जॉब मिलना है. जॉबलेसनेस, नौकरी नहीं है भाई मार्केट में. 1 करोड़ ग्रेजुएट्स आर पासिंग इन इंडिया. कितना जॉब्स मिल रहे हैं? सो डू यू थिंक दैट देयर आर 1 करोड़ जॉब्स आर अवेलेबल फॉर देम? नो, दे आर नॉट देयर. जॉबलेसनेस. अफोर्डेबिलिटी, एजुकेशन का अफोर्डेबिलिटी है, पैसे नहीं है. कमर तोड़ के पेट काट के वो पढ़ाई कर रहे हैं. एक्सेसिबिलिटी, अवेलेबल नहीं है, एक्सेसिबल नहीं है. ये बहुत ही इंपॉर्टेंट चीज है, अवेलेबिलिटी एंड एक्सेसिबिलिटी. हाई बट मिलता नहीं है. अकाउंटेबिलिटी, जिम्मेदारी नहीं है. जिम्मेदारी नहीं है पढ़ाई के बारे में कि ये पढ़ाई हुआ बोल के. नो यूनिवर्सिटी इज रेस्पॉन्सिबल फॉर इट लाइक दैट. दिस इज अकाउंटेबिलिटी. एक्शनेबिलिटी, जो पढ़ाई किया है दिस इज नॉट एक्शनेबल है. काम करने के लिए लायक नहीं है. एक्शनेबल नॉलेज नहीं है, एक्शनेबल इंफॉर्मेशन नहीं है. ये भी एडिटेबल है, वेरीफाई नहीं कर पाते कि क्या पढ़ाई हुआ नहीं हुआ. ये भी इंपॉर्टेंट चीज है. दीज आर जनरल कंसर्न्स. व्हाट आई एम डिस्कसिंग विल एड्रेस डायरेक्टली. गांधीयन एजुकेशन विल एड्रेस ऑल द इश्यूज. दैट्स द ब्यूटी. गांधीयन एजुकेशन बारे में कुछ कड़वा चीज बोलूंगा, which are very bitter truths, but we have to tell it, and I am very happy to tell it. थोड़ा सुन ले प्लीज. Gandhian education is absent in higher education institutions. Actually, across the education it is. वो तो गायब हुआ है, तो deteriorating. It is completely getting closed. It is completely removed of it. ये एक important चीज है. Even Gandhian centers which are there in the universities, there is no Gandhian education. There are सर्कल्स है, स्टडी सर्कल्स है, स्टडी सेंटर्स है, उधर भी गांधीयन एजुकेशन है. प्लीज अंडरस्टैंड, आई एम टॉकिंग अबाउट नाई तालीम. व्हाट गांधी सजेस्टेड, व्हाट गांधी एक्सपेरिमेंटेड एट एलकेजी लेवल, ये पूरा लाभ पता है. मोस्ट ऑफ द एजुकेटर्स, एकेडमिक्स, वाइस चांसलर्स, डायरेक्टर्स, प्रोफेसर्स, डीन्स, उनको मालूम नहीं है डिसीजन क्या है. वी डोंट नो. ये तो कॉलेज स्कूल में पढ़ते हैं भाई, कॉलेज में ही नहीं चलेगा। गांधी कैसे चलेगा? गांधी एजुकेशन कैन नॉट वर्क। गांधी इज against STEM. I mean talking to one IIT, say that Gandhi is against STEM. Who said? Gandhi is one of the biggest scientists. Best scientist said that Gandhi is the greatest man. Einstein told it. A man like that could never ever believe that walked on this earth. Anyhow, some are into theorization. वो खाली बोलते रहते हैं, बोलो 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 बोलो। अरे बोलने के लिए गांधी जी इज नॉट मेंट फॉर टॉकिंग एंड टॉकिंग एंड टॉकिंग एंड टॉकिंग। गांधी इज मेंट फॉर डूइंग। उतारना है, अजमाना है। दिस इज गांधीयन एजुकेशन। एंड यूजुअली focus of Gandhian education is on LKG, not on undergraduate and postgraduates. बोलता है कि बड़े बड़े लोग बच्चे के लिए गांधी काम नहीं चलेगा। We want to show in this presentation, in this session, how Gandhi can be made relevant and how Gandhian education can be embedded as part of regular education from PG to KG. It's not from KG to PG. ये भी एक important चीज है। Lot of people imitate Gandhi, पूरा नकल करता है। गांधी जी का मंजिल नकल करता है, रास्ता भी नकल करता है। उनका गांधी का चलने का स्टाइल भी चलने का स्टाइल तरीका भी करता है। डेस्टिनेशन, रोड एंड वॉकिंग स्टाइल इज बीइंग, इट इज इम्पॉसिबल टू इमिटेट गांधी जी। गांधी जी इज यूनिक। हाउ कम गांधी जी educational system you can imitate? What is required is that operationalization of Gandhian education in new context is what is required. Don't look at manjil, don't look at chalne ka tarika, rasta. We have to invent our own road, our own walking style, our own mokshas. There is a lot of similarity, but we should invent our own. This is what Satyashodhana by Gandhi. He said that you find out your rasta, you find out your style. This is what Swaraj ki matlab hai. This is what Swadeshi, Swayata, these are all Gandhi's ideas about it. Please understand, Gandhi himself won't imitate him. If Gandhi in 2021 is there, he won't imitate Gandhi in 1930s. He will shun it. He will completely come out with a different operationalization. So this is about Kadwa cheese about Gandhi ji, which is required to be understood. Why not? क्यों नहीं? Why not students, PG students, UG students? There are 4 crores UG and PG students in India. They are all going to the college. Why not 4 crore UG and PG students are made to earn their learning expenses as part of their regular learning? Why not? क्यों नहीं? क्यों नहीं छात्र खुद का पढ़ाई की खर्चा पढ़ाई में क्यों नहीं कमा सकते? शिक्षणाचा खर्च शिक्षणामध्ये शिक्षणाकरिता शिक्षणासाठी क्यों नहीं? How come students cannot earn their learning expenses in learning? If they are made to earn their learning expenses in learning, is it wrong? Is it not possible? Okay, there are a lot of questions will come out. This is the important question, Mandi sir. This is the बुनियादी सवाल ये है. Questions. Which students should earn it? Business students, commerce students, zoology students, literature students, political science students, math students. Which students? Logic students, legal students. Which students? All students. Why not? How much earning? कितना कमाना है? कितना? पूरा MBA वाला 20 लाख रुपए पे करता है, 10 लाख रुपए हर साल फीस पे करता है, 10 लाख कमा सकता है. How much earning they should make it? Why students need? अरे क्यों क्या बोलता है छात्र लोग क्यों कमाना है? पढ़ाई करना है, पढ़ाई के बाद करेगा, पढ़ाई में क्यों करना है? How about learning and evaluation of it? कमाई में लग जाते तो पढ़ाई कहाँ जाएगा? पढ़ाई कैसा हो जाएगा? पढ़ाई को कैसा मूल्यांकन कर सकते हैं हम? What happens if they earn? What happens if they earn their learning expenses in learning? ಇಂದಿನ ಶಿಕ್ಷಣದ ಖರ್ಚನ್ನ ಇಂದಿನ ಶಿಕ್ಷಣದಲ್ಲಿ ಹಿಂದೆ ಸಂಪಾದಿಸಬೇಕು. ವಾಟ್ హ్యాపెన్స్? చదువు ఖర్చు చదువుతూనే సంపాదిస్తే ఏమవుతుంది? ఈజ్ earning is learning? earning ही learning है क्या? कमाना सीखना है क्या? आप सोच लें. If students will get spoiled because of earning, पैसे कमाने से बच्चे बहुत बेकार होता है क्या? If they don't get placements, मालिक लोग आके बोलता है कि बच्चे बहुत होशियार है, we don't want to give jobs. हो सकता है राजीव गांधी इंस्टीट्यूट में, राजीव गांधी यूनिवर्सिटी में हर एक बच्चे बोलता है कि मैं हर एक दिन 1000 रुपए कमाऊंगा. So implications are there. If students resort to immoral things for earning, is it? हम हमारा हृदय पे एक हाथ डाल के ये समस्या के लिए सोचना है कि ये क्वेश्चन के लिए, प्रश्न के लिए समाधान सोचना है कि if our students get into immoral things and try to earn money, if at all students like this, very interesting question. These are the pertinent questions about Gandhian education, Bunyadi Shiksha, Nai Talim at UG, PG level especially. The same things apply for even LKG. Gandhiji has shown it, what will happen to it. If this is approved by the AICTE and UGC, Ministry of Education, bade log, Delhi wala, whether they will accept it. Is it accepted by the NAC? स्टूडेंट्स को कहाँ टाइम है? पूरा बच्चे बहुत ही पढ़ाई में है, लाइब्रेरी जाना है, असाइनमेंट, उनको टाइम नहीं है. This is also, these are the several questions. We can have many more questions. These are the fundamental questions. But the seminal question is that why not students are made to earn their learning expenses as part of their regular curricular learning? Why not? This question is being answered as part of Gandhian education, which Mandi sir is trying to bring to you. I once again thank Gandhi King Foundation and also Rajiv Gandhi University, Arunachal Pradesh for giving this opportunity. Friends, much more is going to come to you. Just wait. To answer this question, Mandi sir came out with a plan where students, UG students and PG students are made to sell Gandhiji's autobiography copies. And this exercise will make them not only to earn their fees, the learning expenses, but also learn the subject which they were studying part of their studies. These are the two photographs available at Indian Oil Corporation at Bombay and also Infosys, a corporate office at Pune. The students are getting into, and you'll be surprised to know that lakhs of copies of this book is being sold. The cost of the book is 40 rupees, which is given by Navjeevan Trust, supplied by Bombay Sarvodaya Mandal Gandhi Book Center. We are thankful to Kaka for this great opportunity, and students learned and also earned it. And more pictures. You can see in Bombay streets how students are going around and selling the Gandhi books. It's a festive season for them, and the display at different places, different corners, in police stations, income tax office, and also on bridges and railway stations, everywhere, anywhere. The idea is that taking Gandhi to the people, that's the whole idea. And it is not to do service to Gandhiji, but to self-serve them. They would like to learn, they would like to recoup their fees, part of their studies. In the process, they also would like to salute to Mahatma, Bapu, the father of the nation. So this is Gandhian education, how it got implemented. Marketing students asked to sell Bapu's bio. This is a festival for the students. It's a joy of reading, joy of learning, joy of convincing, joy of meeting customers, joy of making money. Everything comes in as total. Newsprints and the magazines and the print media. The media is just love to cover such kind of an exercise. People don't know about Gandhiji because it was not taken to them like that. Hats off to Gandhi King Foundation, which is doing an extremely great job. And Gandhi King Foundation itself has asked graduate students to engage in this kind of an exercise. I request the Vice Chancellor and also the Nayak ji here, head of the Department of English Department, to engage Rajiv Gandhi Institute, Rajiv Gandhi University students to do this kind of an activity as implementation of and practice of Gandhian education. We school students to mark Gandhi Jayanti by selling his autobiography in stores. 5 lakh books are being sold, and every book sold, they require to meet at least 5 to 10 people. 50 lakh, 5 lakh books, 50 lakh, 30 lakh customers are being contacted by the students. How much each student in their interaction must have learned and earned. The earning is very little, but the learning is immense. The program is titled as Shanti Vijayate, and there are sponsors for the program. Thanks to the Stanton Chase, ABG, GMR Group, which finance the program, and the book markers are being made out of 7 deadly sins of Gandhiji, which he shared. Politics without principle, wealth without work, commerce without morality. Every book will contain these book markers, and this is the way how sponsorships will be able to be developed. It is not a losing exercise. It is not just earning exercise. It is earning exercise. It is learning exercise. So this program is called as Mandi, Santhe, Angadi, Bazaar, where graduate and UG students, PG students are made to apply what they are learning in the market, in the Mandi, and learn and also earn out of it. So this is the way how Gandhian education is being operationalized, and is the direct solution for placement, affordability, accessibility, and what is that? Many other questions which are being raised initially. Look at the way how students are so happy to do it like this. बेच के सीखो, सिखाइए बेच के सीखो, जितना सीखा पूरा बेचो, जब जब सीखा तुरंत बेचो, जहां सीखा वहीं बेचो, जिससे सीखा उसी को बेचो. सीखने के लिए पैसे की जरूरी नहीं है, सीखने के लिए सीखने से पैसे आता है. Learning expenses are earned in learning, through learning and for learning. ಇಂದಿನ ಶಿಕ್ಷಣದ ಖರ್ಚನ್ನ ಇಂದಿನ ಶಿಕ್ಷಣದಲ್ಲಿ ಇಂದೇ ಸಂಪಾದಿಸಬೇಕು. చదువు ఖర్చు చదువుతూనే తీయాలి. అమ్ముతూ నేర్చుకోరా తమ్ముడు, కొనుక్కుంటే చదువు రాదురా అమ్మడు. शिक्षणाचा खर्चना शिक्षणामध्ये शिक्षणाकरिता शिक्षणासाठी कमवा. This is a very simple way of how do you retrieve the value out of learning is this. Gandhiji said this as self-reliance. Self-reliance. This is the kind of thing. And you convert the learning into work. Second thing. And holistic education. I was talking about Buddhi, Hruday and Sharir. SBH. Sharir, Buddhi and Hruday. The 3 things should come in. So look at the way how students will be looking at their cognitive skills, their emotional skills, their bodily physical skills, all are being sharpened. How to talk to the customer, how to convince the customer, how to take the money, with whom to talk to, with whom not to talk to, how you can scale it up, where the market lies for that. Logical, emotional, physical, social, poverty, everything they can understand. So easy to do it. So this particular program is called Mandi, Mahamandi, Angadi, Bazar, Sunday. At different places we do this particular program in different names. For example, in Chennai we call it as Sunday, in Andhra we call it as Angadi, in Karnataka we call it as Angadi, some other place we call it as Bazaar, in Mumbai we call it as Mandi, in Delhi we might call it something different. So this can be put it, and retrieval of learning, retrieval of earning out of learning is the way how it is being operationalized. Look at the way how everybody is interested. They are going with books, they are going with Ambedkar book, it can be Gandhi book, it can be Vishveshwaraya, it can be toys, everything. The idea is convert your learning into earning through application of it, so that in the process you also learn, you also help others. सीखे हुए फंडों को क्यों ना आजमाएं, खुद भी हम सीखे दूसरों को भी सिखाए, खुद भी हम सीखे दूसरों को भी सिखाए. This is the whole idea. If 4 crore students teach every day 4 crore other adults people in the society, how much learning can happen, how much earning can happen. Why not? They have time, they have ability, they can do it very easily. They are supposed to do it. They are not doing. There is a reason why they are not getting placement. They are not finding jobs. They are not becoming entrepreneurs. They are not able to afford job in education. All the people. And we have done in this process 20,000 students. They all enjoyed. They become entrepreneurs. Next. Mahatma Gandhi at Mumbai, Mahanagari. Look at the way how students are enjoying to sell Bapu. Convince people what Bapu is. This is how we can energize and enterprise the youth of this country, so that we can make Swaraj, Swayata, Swatantra, Hind Swaraj, Gram Swaraj, Patan Swaraj, Nagar Swaraj. Every individual can be able to rule himself or herself by applying, especially educated youth. From street selling, and the students are taken to very organized way of doing this enterprising. This is done for commerce, MBA, engineering students mostly. It can be done for law students, it can be done for geology students and English students. And in a university setup, this can be done. Students are incorporating their own enterprises. Look at the number of enterprises. When they had an experience of registering an enterprise and initiating an enterprise, their mind had tuned for how to start a startup and run an enterprise. If they are being tuned only for Naukri, only for Gulami, they think Gulami. If they are tuned for enterprise, if they are tuned for making earning, they will be thinking of giving jobs to others. It's a matter of how we will be tuning them. Gandhian education tries to tune them in an enterprising way. Gandhian education is enterprising. There is a reason why work-based education with the self-reliance, holistic education, the 3 planks of Gandhian education. Amazing way how it can be implemented. We have a number of student startups in our college, in our wherever we go, wherever universities we go, we ask the colleges to do this. I invite Arunachal Rajiv Gandhi Institute to take it up, e-cell, placement cell, to be able to cultivate startups as part of their regular education. Look at the number of students. In the last 15 years, we have a number of student startups. Zaika Ka Tadka, it's a cooking channel of YouTube channel where it is crores of rupees of value it has got it. Kisan Kirana, an indoor based company where it is basically a Haldiram of India, Haldiram, supply chain of kitchen provisions basically. And Trell, it's a video app. It's after TikTok, when it's banned, Trell become big name. And Cashify, it is second hand mobiles are being refurbished and sold. Bolo India is also a video application. And Polygon, it is a Ethereum based company which is a unicorn in blockchain related kind of thing. These are all came out of the AICTE startup policy outcome. Startup policy came in 2019, but these things we are doing for the last 15 years, 20 years. Number of student startups came in. Polygon, Bolo India, Cashify, Jaika Ka Tadka, Kisan Kirana, Trell. There are more companies, many more companies. Freekamal.com, Quifers, Huawei, Cropwheel, Magenta Power, electrical vehicles, EV solutions, Square Yards, real estate related company, Laltan. This Laltan company is a student company which tries to give it for rural artisans, how they can export to the international agencies. Arunachal Pradesh, it is a place where you got a lot of artisans, how their artisans products can be marketed to international markets. And we got Rajiv Gandhi University students where they can be able to do this part of their regular studies. And English, engineering, political science, and also an MBA and MCOM students, BCom students can do this exercise very easily. Student startups can create and seeding of enterprising in the minds of the buddhi of the students, and it develops their hruday, and they will be ready with their sharir, head, hand, and heart. Friends, Devi or Sajno, friends, what government is thinking for the last some time? Gandhi thought it in 1920s and 30s. Enterprising the education was discussed as long as 1920s, 30s kind of thing. That is the beauty. And today the government is talking about startup policy, vocational education, enterprise education, entrepreneurship, startup India. All these things are being discussed. They have their origins in Gandhian education, self-reliance, work-based education, holistic education. To go back to the fundamentals, knowledge, skills, attitudes, and values, three things can be developed. Basically, education is basically skill development, knowledge development, and attitudes development. Attitude development is related to emotional, hruday, and skill is related to sharir, finger, legs, how to stand, how to do the work, all this buddhi, thinking power, basically, it's knowledge. Work will be able to, humans develop skills only through work, by doing the work. As they do the work, the information is converted into knowledge, and they develop attitudes and values. The suchna, the information is not knowledge. It has to be applied. It has to be applied by the human. It has to be applied by the human in such a way on the work that value is generated. And buddhi, sharir, hruday, knowledge, skill, and values. And all different subjects which are being taught to the students have to be integrated. This is not holistic education. Subject A to Z is not a holistic education. It is integrated. We call it as integrated education. Holistic and integrated, they're two different things. External holism is integration. Internal integration is holism. Internal integration is holism. External holism is integration. बाहर का अंदर का चीज है. Knowledge, skill, and attitudes can be developed only through earning in learning. Without earning, it cannot be done. It's a validation. It is a saboot. It is an examination. It is proof that student has learned it. There is learning, no earning. There is no learning. There is learning but no earning. There is no learning. There is earning but no learning. There is earning but no learning. How come it can be? If there is earning, there is a learning. We have to find out. That's the beauty. Educational institutions should aim for Gandhiji's Atmanirbhar, Swavalamban, Swaraj, Swadeshi, entrepreneurial education, Udyamita, Udyamapati education. This is the more important. Unless they look at this, Swavalamban, Atmanirbharta education cannot be possible for that. So for this, Gandhi envisaged work-based education, holistic education, and also self-reliance. Education must be universal. If it has to be universal, it cannot be financed through selling liquor. Governments, सरकारों ने नशा बेच के वो पैसे से, माँ बाप को बर्बाद करके वो पैसे से बच्चों को, छात्रों को पढ़ाई दे रहे। It is ruining the societies by selling of liquor, making money and financing education is suicidal for the society. COVID gaya nahi gaya, state governments have opened up liquor shops because they want revenue, and their reasoning is that पढ़ाने के लिए पैसे जरूरत है. All state governments argue on it. Not only state government, any government will be looking at. So funding education is economic principle of education is very important to solve it, and the Swavalamban can be the best key for students' welfare. And everybody can get education if it is being able to be implemented. It can be extended to all subjects, literature, biology, zoology, botany. We can discuss more out of it. I invite every faculty member, every vice chancellor, every dean, every professor in this country to read towards new education. This ebook is available on mkgandhi.org. This is a simple book. I request all of you to be able to read this book. It is such a simple book. You can easily find answers for the problems of education and higher education.